So to access the group that Martha created, all you need to do is go to Outlook right here. It's on my browser. So if you look over here in your folders, in your Outlook folders, I've got all of this. You can just scroll down, and then here are my groups. Where'd they go? There we go. So if you look right here, there's Synergy, and that's of course where we can find all of the documents that people have uploaded. If you can't see it, just hit more. Okay, and then there is the continuity and mathematics. So now when you look at this, okay, you have a couple of options. I just want to look at the share files part, so I'm going to click on that. This happened to me earlier. I don't know why, but I have to click on it again. Oh, it worked now. Okay. So here you go. You can see this has the course by course. You can click on a file, and here is where you can type in if you would like to volunteer to provide some information to associate faculty. So I'm just gonna, you have to click on edit first, and then just click on a box, and you can just write test. Okay, if somebody else is in the document, that cell will be highlighted, and their initials are in the circle. See, just like that. Although it says that I'm there, I actually have this document open in another browser, so that's probably why. Okay, if you are finished with the document, you can just close it right there. Okay, if you would like to create a new folder, you can just hit New and Folder. If you would like to upload a document, just upload files. And then you can select the document that you want to upload. I don't know this is just weird stuff. So you would just select it and hit Open. And then once you do that, it's going to appear right here.